WINGSChariot is not just a cutting-edge technology solution, but your navigator through the complexities of modern logistics and Industry 4.0 manufacturing. WINGSChariot's AI-driven platform optimizes storage and order management, making operations robust, faster, and more cost-effective. On the open roads, WINGSChariot ensures safe, green, and efficient transportation. With real-time monitoring and control of cargo transport and vehicle status, as well as by providing advanced driver assistance, every journey is characterized by sustainability and safety. In manufacturing plants, empowered by advanced networking like 5G and beyond, and by orchestrating a seamless blend of communication and data, WINGSChariot enhances the quality, speed, and resilience of the production by unleashing unprecedented potential insights in every step of the production, from raw materials ingestion to process optimization to component assembly and finally to product shipping. Our European heritage is not just our past. It's the cornerstone of our global technological success, driving us to new heights of innovation and excellence in every move we make. In our world, safety is the foundation of every workspace, ensuring a harmonious blend of evolution and protection. WINGSChariot. If you want to steadfastly step into the future, just make the right move.